Mohawk RevWood Select offers 3 unique styles for your space. These designs feature premium visuals, which gives the beauty of hardwood alongside the durability of laminate. Their Genu-Edge technology wraps these visuals around the side of the planks for additional realism. It even features fade resistance, protecting your flooring from UV damage. Mohawk's designs are incredibly durable, offering a 10-year Wet Protect warranty, which shields the planks from spills and other incidents. It also features Mohawk's All-Pet warranty, which defends these floors from any accidents that your furry friends may have, and Clean Protect, with built-in antimicrobial properties. Their Uniclick installation makes this product easy to install without the hassle of nails and glue. They also offer maximum scratch protection, which is 4 times more resistant than competitors' products. Mohawk RevWood Select is offered in the 3 collections of Rare Vintage, Boardwalk Collective, and Granbury Oak. Visit georgiacarpet.com or call 800-535-8789